Do you earn exponential income? If not, why not? I could never figure out why people would not knock down a wall if there was exponential income on the other side. Then I read an article in LinkedIn and the light bulb turned on. The author said that there are only two kinds of income, linear and exponential. He compared them with this simple, brilliant analogy. Linear income is like a piece of bread. You eat it and it's gone. You get hungry again and you've got to find another piece of bread. And that cycle never stops. Exponential income is like a fruit tree. You plant the seed, then you wait for the tree to grow. While you're waiting, you don't have any fruit to eat. When it does grow, you have an abundance of fruit. And here's the thing. You don't have to plant the tree ever again. It continues to bear lots of fruit for its entire lifetime. Most people want all the fruit immediately. They lose patience waiting for the tree to grow. They plant the seed, then they stare at the ground, expecting a fully grown tree to break the soil and shoot for the sky. Ain't gonna happen. So they go back to searching and struggling for one piece of bread at a time. Not a great strategy. To really feel the impact of this strategy, let's look at two examples of exponential growth. The first shows you the growth of a business over a 2-year period. Imagine that it's your business. You open your doors on January 1st, 2023 with just 2 customers, and your business grows exponentially by doubling every month. In February, you have 4 customers. In March, you have 8. April, 16 customers. August rolls around and you've got 256 customers and you should celebrate. But many people won't. They focus on what they don't have. They expected a much bigger number than 256 for 8 months of hard work. They feel like they failed. Many of them give up. They close shop and walk away from the business and look for their next piece of bread. What would happen if they trusted the process of exponential growth? In January 2024, they'd have 8,192 customers, and December, their business would explode with 16,777,216. They'd have an abundant fruit tree that would feed them for life. Okay, next example. Which one of these would you choose? $1 million in your hand today, or 1 penny today, then for the next 29 days you keep getting pennies, but each day you get double the amount of the previous day. My guess is that most of you have chosen the penny, and that's the right choice. Here's what happens when you grow 1 penny exponentially for 30 days. Many people would just beat themselves up on day 10. They only have $5.12. Now, those same people will not appreciate the $5,242.88 they have on day 20. They'll focus on the $1 million that they don't have. But look at what happens after day 20. $5,000 plus has doubled to $10,000 plus. And what about day 30? The penny has grown to $5,368,709.12. Now, that's an abundant fruit tree. People who really get this are the kind of people who get excited about network marketing. Network marketing offers anyone the opportunity to create massive wealth. But you probably guessed there is a catch. While you wait for your fruit tree to sprout, grow tall, and give you fruit year after year for a lifetime, you won't earn much money. And you will have to spend money on products every month. You'll have to subscribe to a monthly auto ship. The average cost of auto ship in most MLM companies is around $200. Now, a lot of people get worried about spending $200 or more every month for products while earning very little or no money at all. I've been there. I get it. But what if you could grow your money tree by only spending $9.95 a month? What if that's the only requirement that allows you to shoot for a 3, 4, or 5-figure monthly exponential income? What if it has the potential to grow beyond a 5-figure monthly income? Would that excite you? It excites me. That's why I joined the unique network marketing company called Live Good. It's unique because it's a membership club that costs only $9.95 a month. What do you get for $9.95 a month? An unlimited earning potential. It gives you 7 different income streams, and your income grows exponentially. Another unique thing about Live Good is that its product is the membership. It does offer high-quality health and wellness products at unbeatable prices. That's the same way that Costco and Amazon do. But the product that makes people rich is the membership. Like Costco and Amazon, you only buy Live Good products when you want to, and if you want to. Your only requirement to enjoy wholesale prices and an unlimited earning potential is your monthly membership fee of $9.95. You can quit anytime without penalty. You'll find a link below to the eye-opening Live Good tour video. It's going to answer all your questions about the products and give you a sense of what you can earn. You'll also find the link to a separate short video on the Live Good compensation plan that takes a deep dive into your enormous earning potential. When you take the tour, you can make the choice to join the membership club with just a few mouse clicks. When you do that, you'll be in my team. I will never hound you to do things that you don't want to do. I will strongly support and help you achieve the goals that you set for yourself. And I'll enjoy showing you how to create wealth with Live Good without bothering friends and family and without talking to people at all if you don't want to. Anybody with a burning desire to change their life can do it with Live Good. And when I say anybody, I mean anybody, even a homeless person. Don't believe me? Watch this inspiring clip featuring Mr. Tim Miller, Live Good's top earner, who has achieved the highest rank of Crown Diamond. He was homeless when he started a year and a half ago.
I really wanted to share something with you guys. You know, the owners here, the product developers are here, but it's not about that, guys. Let me share something with all of you out there that are watching this video. I've been in network marketing for over 30 years, all of it on a full-time basis. I've made money. A lot of people talk that stuff. I'm going to give it to you straight. This is totally different. Forget everything you know about it, because 96% of people in this industry, they don't make money. They can post all of that stuff on social media they want to, but we know the truth. Here's the deal with Live Good. Not only can you get started, and it's duplicatable by everybody, but here's the deal. This is membership marketing. People ask me, what's our product? The membership. And through membership marketing, we pay affiliate commissions. It's never been done. Imagine Costco, imagine BJ's, imagine all these companies, even your car wash now. All these companies are selling memberships, but who's getting paid? The CEOs. Now the average person from the comfort of their home with nothing more than a cell phone can change their life. Take it from a guy that's not only been in this industry 30 years, and I lost everything. I ended up homeless a year and a half ago, and from that homeless shelter, I was able to change my life. Guys, this is the real deal. Get with the person that shared this video with you. Take that free tour, whether it's down there, whether it's up there, take that free tour, put in your name, your email address, and watch what happens next when you're locked into that power line, and we're going to change your life, guys, one person at a time. Again, membership marketing with affiliate commissions is finally here, and here's your chance to be at the beginning. Take care, God bless, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.
Take the tour and discover if Live Good's products and opportunity call out to you. Then, whatever choice you do make will be the right one.